up? Welcome, Mega Team. So, I didn't record me playing this game, but I got a bit good. So, our goal here is getting to 100 million. So, I didn't get to record the other part that when I was grinding, but I'm getting good. See guys, here I got these rares. So, I also have some here. So these uncommons. I also got these commons. And I've got these rare bananas right here. And I got some commons right here. So we are currently standing at 29.2 million and our goal is wait. Our goal is 100 mil. No, instead, I think that's a bit too hard, so let's try. Mm, how much should we try? Alright, so instead, let's try 50 mil instead. So I'll buy this one, the mythic one. Alright, there we go. So now, I'm just gonna remove these up, guys. And let's put this here. There we go. So hopefully we get some money from these. Oh, I didn't notice. New people joined me. And by the way, I am alone right now. Oh, and if you don't know Newbie Poo, he is also a YouTuber like me. He's a he's not a big time YouTuber, but I'm also both not a big time YouTuber. I'm a small time YouTuber. He's he's not he's like a mid YouTuber. He has 1,000 subs. Alright, let's go back to my base. So, what? We already have 100 million. Wait, let's fuse these bananas. So now let's keep claiming our money. Alright. So guys, so now we're back to 11 mil. I'm just collecting these. Alright, let's go back here. We get a huge money drop. I fell. I'll just keep collecting some money in case if a money drop. Right? Alright. So hopefully if a money drop here. Just keep collecting my money. And last floor. Right. Alright. See you guys later. I will post part 2 later. Goodbye.